In 2025, AI is transforming the wealth generation landscape. It's not just for tech enthusiasts, but for anyone looking to make money. Freelancers can enhance their services using AI tools, allowing them to work faster and take on more clients. AI helps in automating e-commerce processes like product selection and customer service to maximize profits. AI-driven investments allow individuals to make smarter decisions and track market trends effectively. With AI, content creators can produce high-quality material, increasing engagement across platforms. Developing AI-powered apps lets developers create solutions for real-world problems and tap into profitable ventures. AI is personalizing online education, offering tailored learning experiences and creating income opportunities for educators. AI-powered tools enable quick creation of digital products like ebooks and courses, generating passive income. Affiliate marketers utilize AI to optimize campaigns, analyze behavior, and boost earnings. AI enhances virtual assistant services by automating tasks, thus allowing for higher rates and better client service. In real estate, AI is transforming property management and investment strategies, making processes more efficient.